Welcome back, you guys, to the absolute beginner crochet tutorial series that I've been working on. The last one we did was the single crochet, and if you haven't seen it, you can click on the comment and see comment. We're going to do the double crochet now. So what we'll do is we'll start by creating a loop, grabbing and pull through for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And we want to do 10 double crochets, so we go 1, 2 more, and then we'll come back to the 4th stitch from the hook and insert into the stitch like that and pull through. Alright, now let's do that one more time. We'll grab our yarn, wrap, go through the 4th stitch from the hook, so it looks like that. Grab and pull through, grab and pull through. Wrap, stick, wrap, pull, and now you've got 3 stitches. And we'll do this all the way across. Once you've made it to the last one, you can go back and count your stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And on this last one, you can pull this tight to tighten that down. Now to turn your work over, you simply rotate it around, create 2 stitches, 1, 2, wrap, stick through the top 2 stitches here, if it'll focus. There we go, top 2 stitches, you stick through, wrap, pull through, wrap, pull through, wrap, and pull through, and you'll complete this across the row. Some people have trouble at the end of the row when it looks like this. You're going to go through this stitch regardless of whether you can get through both. In this case, I was unable to get through both of those in one stick. So we come through the back side like that. So it comes in and then grabs that back side stitch, so there's 2. And then we'll wrap and then pull through, wrap, pull through, wrap, pull through. And now you have all 10 stitches on both rows, and you repeat the flip process if you want to keep it looking this way. Have a great day.